channel. So today I've created another look for you guys, and I really hope you guys have been enjoying and loving the other looks I've been creating for you guys. If you guys love this look, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. And without further ado, I'll allow you guys to continue watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye for now.
Hi, so I start by brushing my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna use like a eyebrow pencil, and the eyebrow pencil I'm using is in color dark brown. I love using eyebrow pencil to define my eyebrows, just like in case I make like a mistake, I can correct it back. As you guys can see right now, I'm just drawing my eyebrows and using that same pencil, and then I'm going to be using the eyeshadow to obviously fill in my eyebrows right now. And I'm gonna use like a spoolie to just brush out my eyebrows. And I'm gonna go in using the Fun Elegant Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use this with a flat brush of mine, to clean up my eyebrows. I love using like the flat brushes better because it gives you like that nice clean finish look. And I'm just going to go in with the concealer on my brows, just using that to just clean my brows, just cleaning my brows. And I'm just going to apply the rest on my I'm going to apply my eyeshadow, and I'm going to go in using my brush and to just blend in the concealer into my skin, because that's like my base for my eyeshadow, so I'm using that to blend it. And I'm going to the top of my brows to also clean it using the same concealer in Fun to just like give it that nice clean finish look, and going in with the same brush to just blend them all in. As you guys can see right now, I'm just blending everything in. Blending. I'm just looking at the mirror because I've got like two mirrors I'm using, so I'm just looking at the other mirror close to my camera. So I'm gonna go in using my W7 Get Set eyeshadow base. I love to use this eyeshadow. Honestly, if you guys, I know that you guys have noticed on my video, I've always showed you guys this eyeshadow. It's just because it gives me that great pigment for my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in using my color shade. I got this color shade from eBay. I'm gonna go in using that color right there. I'm just, because I'm going to do like a cut crease, half cut crease, so I'm just using my small brush to just go on top of my like a little bit upper my cut crease, just so like when I cut the my cut crease, I can get that same color above. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna go in using my brush, my fluffy brush. Yeah, you guys will see I kind of changed the brush because I wasn't feeling the brush, I wasn't really feeling it because I felt like it wasn't giving me that blend. Because see, eyeshadow, you've got to actually blend. You will see how much I had to blend. So you guys can see right now I've already switched it. So I'm gonna go in using my coffee color. I'm gonna still apply it the same way I applied the other eyeshadow I did previously, going in the same place to apply it, my coffee color, going back in, blending blending blending. Like eyeshadow is all about blending, getting it right. And I'm gonna go in with the tank. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in using the tank on above the place I applied the coffee. And I'm just going to obviously blend as well. So I'm just applying it right now, just to the right places, and blending right now, blending blending. Then, and I'm gonna go in with my black eyeshadow color. just putting it at the outside of my, you know, eyeshadow. So just I wanted to give me that smoky look, just a little bit of smoky look. I don't want to go in too much black. I just want that um eyeshadow to give me just a little bit of it. So I'm going to go in using this concealer. It's anti-aging concealer. I'm going to use it using my flat brush, but firstly I like to go in using like a wipe. You can use any wipe for it, baby wipe, whatever it is, and just so it gives, just clean that area. So I'm gonna go in right now, you guys can see, using that brush to, you know, do my half cut crease cut crease. So I'm just cutting it. I'm going in carefully and I'm cutting it really carefully, you know. I want it to give me that sharp, clean look I'm looking for. So I'm just going in, just doing it gently, and you know, I'm not you when you're doing your cut crease, please don't rush, guys. You know, you want that finish, nice, you know, sharp look. And you guys can see I'm going in using that same brush just to blend that concealer. I'm going in using my gold. I'm going to apply that gold at my on my cut crease, and I also use like before I applied it I use like a setting spray, just so like when I apply the gold it gives me that nice pigmented, you know, look. And I'm going in using that two pack. Yeah, I'm applying it at the middle of my eyeshadow, so you guys can see right now, just blending in. Like I need everything to be blended in. I don't want like half, you get what I mean? So using my wipe, just cleaning down any excess of eyeshadow that falling down on my face and all those stuff. I'm gonna go in using my Glam eye liner. So I'm just, you know, drawing my eyeliner, so you guys can see right now, just going in using drawing my eyeliner, you know. So I love eyeliner, to be fair. Like before I struggled really hard with drawing my eyeliners, but now I'm a pro. So I'm gonna go in using my Megan lash mascara. I don't have a lot of mascara, but ew. For my eyelashes I normally use the dark tone glue. I like the dark one than the clear one, which is like the white one, because when you make like a mistake with your eyeshadow using the black one, you can't really see it, but see, when you use the white one you can be able to see it. So that's why I like to use the black eyeshadow. Sorry guys, the black the black one than the white one. So I'm going using my Lorraine Paris foundation. I love to mix my foundation. I'm using this 24 hours combination. But oh guys, I forgot that I didn't apply my primer, so I had to go in to apply my primer first, as you guys can see me doing right now, before my foundation. Because and then I'm gonna go in using my lip balm just to moisturize my skin, my lips, sorry. Just to moisturize my lips. And then once done, I'm just gonna go in to apply my, you know, mist combination foundation, just applying it. But as you guys can see, I started dabbing it because I needed to like go into my skin. Then because see, brushes, sometimes when you use brushes it gives you that line and I don't want the line, so I go in gently by dabbing it into my skin to give me that nice florist look I'm looking for. So that's what I'm doing. And I also go in like down my chin, under my chin, you know, just like down to my neck. And then for my concealer, for my highlight, yeah, I'm going to go in using my phone Elegant Pro concealer for my highlight. So just applying it. I like to apply it with a brush, and I'm going to use my beauty blender. But first, I'm going to have to spray my face first, you know, and then use my beauty blender. So As you guys can see right now, I'm just dabbing, just carefully doing this stuff, because you see, when you're doing your makeup, you don't need to rush. Honestly, just take your time when you're doing your makeup. Just, at the end of the day, like you're gonna have like a nice flawless looking makeup. And I'm gonna go in now for my contour using my LA Girl contour in the color dark cocoa. I don't really like to contour so much. I'm just saying that the beauty blender I'm using right now for my contour is really, that looks quite small. I'm just saying that it's really so cute. It's so small. Anyhow, so I'm saying, like, I don't really contour that much. I don't really like to contour. I just, up contour for the sake of contouring. I don't know if that makes sense. So, but I love to contour my nose. Like, I like the nice, after look it gives me. And then for my setting powder, I'm going to be using like my banana powder to apply to the areas that I applied my concealer and everything, and my contour as well. And then for under my eyes, I'm gonna be using my gel liner in color black. And you guys will see I'm gonna go in later to use like a black pencil for the waterline. I just need my eyes to pop a little bit, because see, when you use like black color for under your eyes, I feel like it gives you that nice look, gives you that effect and all those stuff. So like you guys can see right now, yeah, I'm just using my pencil for it, and it's in color black. And I'm gonna go in with my powder. That's my setting powder, and I'm just powdering my face. And just using that powder to set my face with a concealer already put already. And I'm gonna also going in with my neck, down my necks and everything, just blending, and then I'm gonna go in with my NYS powder just to set everything, the whole foundation, the highlight, everything we've put. And then I'm gonna go in using my setting spray to spray my face, just to set everything, all your stuff we've done. Then I'm gonna use my sleek contour to contour my nose. Contour that nose properly well. Get that nice pointed nose. And I'm cleaning my lips using our lip a wipe. For my highlight, I'm gonna be using the Glow palette, and in the color Champagne. Just give me that nice glow. I love this highlight. I got it actually on Amazon, and I can't remember how much it cost, but I'm gonna put the link down below just in case any of you want it. It's really, really good. I don't think it was that quite expensive. Love this lip oil, lipstick, glow. I just love it. Every time I do my makeup, the best part of my makeup is applying my lipstick. I just love it. I'm gonna go in use with that eyeshadow, which is called Dream. Just putting on my teardrop, giving me that nice look. I'm gonna go in with my glitter liner, just applying it above my Cut-Crease, just to give me that nice look. And that's me done. It wasn't that bad, was it? So that's me done, guys. I hope you guys really love this look I've created for you guys, and because I really, really did enjoy, as creating this look. And I'll catch you guys on my next YouTube video. And also, I'll catch you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye for now.